Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Outlook errors on your Windows. So I'm going to share to you several methods. So you need to watch the whole video and try as to what method or solution will best work for you. Okay, so let's go quick into the process. First is we need to start the Outlook or try to open the Outlook app in a safe mode. So press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the Run window, or you can directly make a right click at the Start button and then select Run in the list of options. Now here you need to type this outlook.exe space forward slash save. It's outlook.exe space forward slash save. Click on OK. And this will bring up and open this window. Click on OK, and you have just opened your Microsoft Outlook application. Now here in the Microsoft Outlook application for the second method is you also need to make sure that it is up to date. So once you have opened your Outlook application, you have to click on the File tab right here at the top left corner, which is the very first tab. Click on Office Account. Then here you have to click on Update Options. Click on Update Now. So this will not only update your Microsoft Outlook but all the Microsoft 365 and Office products. And now it states you're up to date, which is a very good thing. Simply close out of here. Then we can also try to repair the whole office. So click on the Start button and then you have to go to Settings. Click on Apps on the left pane. Click on Installed Apps. Then here you'll find a version of the Microsoft Office wherein the Outlook application is included, which is the Outlook Classic. So we have here the Microsoft Office Home and Student 2021. Click on the three dots, select Modify. Then here you have two options on how you can repair. It could be quick repair. So try in the quick repair first. Fixes most issues quickly without the need for an internet connection. Click on repair. Then you have to click on the repair button and this will repair your Microsoft 365 Office products. And if the quick repair doesn't work for you, go back to the same window right here in the settings. Click on the three dots, select Modify. Then here you can go with online repairs. If the quick repair doesn't work, then you can go with online repair, but this will take for like more than an hour. And then this needs an internet connection. So you have just to simply click on repair and click on the repair button once again. And then we can also try to open the firewall. Click on it under the best match. Here you have to click on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click on change settings. Click on allow another app. Now here you have to click on browse. So here we need to open the Outlook Classic first for the path. Make a right click, then you have to select open file location. Now copy this path right here. And then you have to paste it here. Click on this arrow. And then scroll down and look for the Outlook. This one, the Outlook Classic. Click on open. Click on add. So this is already added in my list. So you have to click on the add button. And then once you have added it on the list, we need to make sure that for both the private and the public, these boxes are checked. Click on OK. And then simply close out of here. So if any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.